I got this box here, I think a week ago. Unfortunately, I was very busy and I had no time to open it. Let's find out what's in here. Okay. What the? Ooh, that's a lot. What's going on? I think this is from a subscriber. He wanted me to fix his model engines. Okay. Hello, custom Trackmaster. I hope you're doing well. I'm such a big fan of yours and I admire your work on YouTube. I have a lot of trains here that need restorations. I hope that you can get them to look close to brand new. Most of them are very minor on face, eyebrows. I don't need them back soon, so make your time with them. I know you are probably busy with other projects. Please contact me with information regarding the cost of the repairs for the engines. I gave you my email and phone numbers. You can contact me on Facebook. Is that easy for you? Okay, his name is, I don't know if I pronounce it right, Baha Suleiman. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take a look on this model engine. He sent me this Edward. I don't know what's going on. I think it needs rewires. It looks like almost everything is here. Yes, I will fix your model engines. I hope you understand that I'm extremely busy. And we have Peterson. He looks really nice. I mean, the stickers are okay. They are good. And probably need some gear or something. I just want to show you guys that I got this on the mail, but I had not much of free time to open the boxes. Okay, next we have Duncan. Duncan needs stickers. Yes, Duncan needs some stickers. This right here is, I think is, yeah, this has been painted. No, these are stickers but worn. Yeah, this one right here too. Yeah, I will change the stickers from this one. And this right here is Reneas. That looks good. I think it needs some repair and the eyebrows. Yeah, I'll try to do my best. Let's see Toby. Toby might need a little paint right in the roof and the face. It's missing the numbers. And the back. These wheels are really worn. Okay, what's next? Maybe. Maybe. Let's see how Mavis looks. She looks nice. Decent condition. Probably most of these engines, I think, I have an idea. Probably most of these engines need only a minor repair or stickers. Have you noticed these are material, both materials. They are really cool, and these are not stickers. These are printed on the cars on the body. Okay, let's hear this. I think this is Edward 2009. Oh wow, it looks really, oh no, this is Tommy, and it's in really good condition. Yeah, this is Plarail, I think. Look at that, really clean. I don't know what's going on with this. model engine, but looks really cool and nice. Now let's look at the next model. This model looks really cool. I mean, it's not bad. Fearless Freddy from Hit Toy Company. It looks really good condition. As you can see, the owner took a really good care of his model engines. They are not abusive. These model engines are really nice. Okay, this one needs a little bit of eyebrow, and this handle is Tomy 2006. I think it's Plarail. I have no idea. But anyways, it looks really good. And the next one is Stepney. If you can see the stickers, I mean the condition of the model engines are, I mean, they are almost in excellent mint condition. Wow, it's amazing. Let's see Emily. What's going on with Emily? I have no idea, but to me, Emily is nice. I mean, there's nothing to do with Emily. It's not motorized. Okay, now we have Spencer from Mateo. Wow, look. No dents, no scratches. Spencer is really nice. Just a little bit on the nose. It needs a little touch up and a little bit on the eyebrow. And I don't know what's on the inside. Now the next one is Donald from Mattel 2012. Probably needs a little bit on the eyebrow and maybe a gear or something. We'll find out later. And the last one I see is a Plarail, I think. Yes, Tomy 1994. Wow, 1994. Percy. Oh, look at that. Wow, this is amazing for me because I haven't seen, I mean, I haven't seen it before, but I don't remember to have one of these in my hands. This is a really nice model engine. Look at that. And looks really clean. Maybe a gear or something. And a little touch up on the line right here on the solder tank. Needs a little bit. But this model engine is looking really good. Okay. So Baha. Sorry if I mispronounce your name. Baha. Sorry, man. So your model engines, they arrive. I will make a video soon to see and find out what's the problem and fix, repair, whatever I have to do, and I'll let you know as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.